Miss Christine with Cocoa Daisy, and this is our classified planner edition. So this is the kit that we usually keep a secret. On the website, when you first look at the image, it's blurred because this is intended to be, as the name says, classified. It's intended to be a secret or a surprise until you receive it. So I'm giving you fair warning. This is an unboxing. I'm going to open this and I'm going to show you what's in it. If you don't want to know, if you want to keep it a surprise, then stop watching. Don't watch anymore. If you don't care and you want to know what's in it, then keep watching. So you have had fair warning. This is the classified planner edition. It comes in this fun brown bag with our cute little Simon bunny on the outside. And so the idea behind this kit is it's a smaller kit. It's very inexpensive. It's designed just to kind of add a few more little things that you can buy, just a few little fun things that you can round out your planner setup. There's usually either a vellum or an overlay or both in there. Washi tape. There's always a Simon card and some stickers and a button. And then we just kind of switch things up with a few of the items, but it's intended to just be a compliment. It's a wonderful, if you're kind of new to Cocoa Daisy and you just kind of want to have a little something, your budget isn't real big, then this is a great kit to subscribe to. So I'm going to start with the washi tape, and I have one open. Now, the interesting thing about this washi tape is, as on the roll, it looks green because it is a lemon yellow. So it has, lemon yellow has a touch of a green to it, but when you unroll it, it's definitely yellow. Isn't that funny? So when they first came in, I kind of freaked out because it's like, oh my God, they're not supposed to be green. They're wrong, but they're not wrong. It's just when it's wound up, it looks green. But when you unroll it, it's yellow. So it's the right color. It's just, so don't let that freak you out when you see it, that you think it's green. It's not, it's yellow. And it has this fun kind of crosshatch grid pattern to it. So that, and it's the thinner. It's a little bit thinner. So if you look at the regular size, it's a little bit thinner. So again, don't let that freak you out. It's not green, it's yellow. Just have to unroll it. And then we have our fun button. Now, if you get these and you're wondering, well, what is that? Because it has a hollow back. What am I supposed to attach it to? So that is our little, oh, and I have to find one. I don't have one in front of me. Hold on. I can find one. Let me tear one off of my planner a minute. Here we go. So this is our magnetic clip, and you can buy these in the store, and you just clip on, because it's a magnet, you just clip on the little button. Isn't that neat? So you can switch it out every month. So that's what that is intended for. And that comes in the kit. And again, you can get, we do have some of these in the store. So if you don't have one, you can get one. And this is something new this month. And this was born from, a lot of you know, I always put a little, I take one of the pocket cards that has the month on it, and I put it in my planner. And I was looking at my planner the other day. We did a washi card for May, and it had the pretty lettering on the top that said grow, and you can wrap your washi tape around it and just use it as a bookmark or punch rings in it and include it in your planner. And I thought, wouldn't it be neat to combine the two, or just have, I loved the way the see-through letters looked on the grow one, and I'm like, so I was staring at that, and I was staring at my little calendar card, and I'm like, why don't we combine the two? How fun would that be? So you can leave this as is. It's a thick weight. And also, one thing that you should know, and I'm going to try and do it. It takes a little bit to do it, so I might not be able to with my nails either. But there's actually a film on these. It's a protective film. So you need to, I don't know if it's on the front or the back. I don't want to mess this one up. But there's a film on here that covers that up and protects it, and you need to peel that off. So just so you know, that's why it's a little frosted looking. It is absolutely clear. You just have to peel the film off. I think it's on the front, so I don't want to take up too much time. I'll try and do it. But again, usually I would use a X-Acto knife. So actually, let me do that. I think we have extras, so I take a little X-Acto knife. So see, and I start it. So it has a little protective film on that. You can see that? That peels off of that. So before you use it, make sure you peel that off. And that's on, if you get our washi cards, that's always on there as well. And I got to thinking, I'm like, you know, I should mention that because a lot of people probably don't even know that. So you have to peel that off. But it's a fun little calendar card. You can use it as is. You can add an embellishment on it. You can use it as a washi card. You can do a bunch of fun things with that. And then, of course, our little Simon card. And this one, so it's Simon and Betty. They're in the office, and they're taking a selfie. And then there's Gary doing a photobomb. So I thought that was funny. Arlie does such a great job with those characters. And then we have some stickers. So we have this one that's decorative. And then we have this one that has these fun little, almost like little call to action, little word bubbles that you can put in your planner or use as headers as well. And they have, some of them have the beautiful floral on them. And then we have a bunch of the days of the week. And we have, again, kind of some headers. There's poolside, barbecue day, beach day, family get together, and then to-do list, day off. And then there's 2 sets of day in the week on there. And then we have 3 ribbon, not rainbow, clip toppers. So there is this beautiful blue watercolor. There's a kind of a mauve purple, and then that pretty lemon yellow. Have those, and then we have a vellum and an overlay. So this is the vellum. Isn't that pretty? And then we have this beautiful, vibrant, colored overlay. And so the overlay is like an acetate, and then the vellum is more of a kind of a frosted type of paper. So that is all part of the Classified Planner edition. And I'm going to move on to the next one.